From here we are able to see the angle. It's 45-degree angle. Should end about here. So the total length when we reach here is about 5 meter. And this is 45, 300, 300 out. Just nice. In this case we are able to put the spare wheel at the bottom here. Now it's short of about 100 mm. So I need to move this back 100 mm.
That's 300. Is that enough?
Should be enough.
Then it's in there.
Yeah, it's enough.
And I don't think it'll be too far to go to there.
Yeah, I think it's
So
enough.
I'll try that.